If you're looking to learn how to pack for Universal Studios, just keep watching this video. These are the bags that we use. It's always a good idea to have some immune support supplements whenever you travel. Just a friendly tip. This is my bag right here. I purchased it from Amazon. This is my wife's bag right here. She purchased it from Walmart. We'll also leave a link down below in the description for the items used to pack in this video. One of the first things you want to pack are some snacks. Purchasing food at Universal can get pretty expensive. We recommend packing some type of granola bar, protein bar, or breakfast bar. I would rather not live on bread alone, so we also pack some beef and turkey jerky. You can also pack vegan jerky if you don't eat meat. You will want to pour them into separate packs so that they will fit inside of your bags. Also, bring a disposable fork so you can limit touching your snacks with your fingers. Packing snacks for the park will save you tons of money and time because you will be able to eat your food on the go without having to wait in the long lines at the park's food stands and restaurants. Universal is fairly lenient on the food that you can bring into the parks. You can pack sandwiches, fruit, and even beverages. If you have children, you can bring the food that they will need as well as any additional snacks you like. In the inside of my wife's bag, she packed some aspirin for those of you who may be prone to headaches. She also packed some motion sickness medicine as there are some rides that you may experience motion sickness from. If you don't want to take the pills, there are motion sickness wristbands you can wear, as you see my wife demonstrating here in the clip. You never know when a downpour will happen here in Florida, so it's always a good idea to pack a poncho just in case it rains. Whenever we travel, we always like to pack an extra Ziploc bag. You can put loose change in here or leftover food. Next in the bag, we pack some extra masks. Florida gets very hot, so it's always a good idea to have a few extra on hand just in case you have one that gets sweated out. My wife also packed some chapstick to keep those lips moisturized. She even included different flavors too. You don't have to do that, it's not a requirement. The last thing she packed was her turkey jerky. You saw me eating my beef jerky earlier. This is the inside of her empty bag, but also in the back of her fanny pack is a place to put things like your wallet or some cash. However, if you do download the Universal Studios app, you will have your digital card saved in the app, so you don't necessarily need to bring any cash. Your app also will allow you to open up lockers, as you see here in this clip. This is the size of the lockers, and the lockers of this size are free of charge. The app also allows you to order food if you want to order food, and lets you know how long the wait time is, so it's a really helpful app. Here I am showing you where we parked our car, which can also be notated within the app. I highly recommend downloading the Universal Studios app. Now on to what I packed in my bag. I packed some deodorant and some hand lotion. I took this from the hotel, and some hand sanitizer. Sanitizer tends to dry my hands out, so that's why I got the lotion. Then I have my poncho. You saw that my wife had a poncho in her bag, so this was mine, and now I'm showing you the inside of my bag where I have my snacks. I also had a chewy granola bar, as well as a Cinnamon Toast Crunch breakfast bar. I also packed some lip balm. If you guys have a physical card, like an annual pass, you may want to get a lanyard to carry around your pass, around your neck. This is for Carnival Cruise Line, and it's just being used as an example. Next, we have a phone charger. This kind of speaks for itself. Also, will be a smart idea to take a portable phone charger as well, a battery pack rather, just in case you're around the park taking pictures or doing lots of video. Just to keep that phone fully charged, it's always a great idea to have one of these. The next item in my bag are some very affordable disinfectant wipes that we got for $1 at Dollar Tree. We use these to kind of wipe down the hand guards, the handrails on the rides as we got in, just for extra precautionary measures. As you can see here, my wife just trying to get that one out to wipe down this hand guard here, or handrail on this ride that we got on, so just to keep things extra safe. All right, so next we have extra masks just to make sure that I didn't sweat out the other one, just in case. Some baby powder to keep things extra fresh. And also, here's my beef jerky right here that you see I thoroughly enjoyed. All right, so this is gonna be it for my bag. As you can see, the only thing left is just a little bit of cash in the bottom there. We could have brought our own water bottle, but we decided not to lug one around, so we only spent around $3.50 the entire time at the park. This water was so refreshing. We also were able to fill that same water bottle up over and over again at the free water fountains that are located around the park. All right, so this is me showing you the bag that everything was able to fit in. Make sure you wear some very light, comfortable clothing. that will keep you cool, some very comfortable shoes because you will be doing a lot of walking. Make sure that you're wearing shoes that are not going to hurt your feet at all. As you can see right here, I'm testing them out. All right, and the same thing goes for the ladies. Here's my wife showing off her mask and her sanitizing or disinfectant wipes, her shoes, her outfit, everything. She's super comfortable and extra cute, if I may say so myself. That's gonna wrap up this video. We thank you so much for watching. We hope that this information has been very helpful to each and every one of you. We had an amazing time at Universal Orlando. We hope that you guys would do the same. And until next time, thanks so much for watching. Peace.